Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a traditional German dish that originated in the capital of Germany named Berlin. The delicious sweetness that comes from the sautéed apples and onions give this fried liver dish a special touch. Let me show you how fast you can put that recipe together. First, peel and core the apples. Then cut the apples into thin slices. Add the apple slices to a bowl and sprinkle them with lemon juice to avoid browning. Then peel and cut the onions into halves and slice them finely. Melt the butter in a pan and fry the apples for a couple of minutes and set aside. In the same pan, fry the onion slices and fry until soft and nicely browned. In the meantime, rinse the liver and pat it dry with a paper towel. Add the flour to a shallow plate and coat all liver slices on both sides. Then heat Butterschmalz or butter in a large pan on medium-high and fry the liver slices on both sides. Sprinkle the liver with marjoram and season with salt and pepper. Serve with apple and onion slices and mashed potatoes with brown butter or gravy. Guten Appetit!